Good morning, children. I'm Shobna speaking to you from St. John's Babanagar. Today I'm going to tell you about Standard 10th, first chapter in Geography. India, Location, Relief and Drainage. Introduction. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is the second largest country in Asia. Do you know this? It is a part of South Asia. It is separated by Himalayas. It accounts 2.4% of total area of the world. Its area is about 32,87,263 square kilometers. India, land and water frontiers. Pakistan, India shares its boundaries. Pakistan in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Borders. Bangladesh has the longest borders, 4,156 kilometers. Afghanistan has the shortest borders, 106 kilometers. Water frontiers. India has a long coastline, 7,518.6 kilometers. Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east. India and Sri Lanka is separated by Park Strait. India and the world. India is centrally located between East and West Asia. See there in the map, Indian Ocean connects the Europe in the west and Asia in the east. India has close contact with West Asia. See the map, Africa and Europe through the western coast. Southeast and East Asia through the eastern coast. India subcontinent. Why? The reason. India has different continental characteristics in physiography. Physiography means landscape, rocks, etc. Climate, natural vegetation, minerals, human resources, etc. Hence, India is known as subcontinent. India has a lot of difference in the climate of the country. In the north, Kashmir has cold climate. See the purple color. In the northwest, Rajasthan, very hot climate, yellow in color. In the northeast, high rainfall with thick forest and medium climate. In the south, Tamil Nadu has hot climate with a lot of humidity. In the southeast, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha receives hot climate. In the southwest, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala receives hot and medium climate because it lies near the Western Ghats. The central and northern India has a hot climate because it lies far away from the sea. Natural vegetation of India is divided into 5 regions. Number 1, tropical evergreen forest or rainforest. Ebony, teak, rosewood are grown here. Tropical deciduous forest. Sal and sandalwood are grown here. Thorn forest. Short shrubs like cacti and palm are grown here. Montane or mountain forest. Sal, cinnamon, olive, oak, fir are grown here. Tidal or mangrove forest. Sundari trees and coconut trees are grown here. Wildlife is also spread across India. Gir forest in Gujarat has plenty of lions. Sundarbans in West Bengal is famous for tigers. Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala is notable as an elephant reserve and a tiger reserve. Mineral resources in India are vast. Example, iron ore, coal, bauxite, manganese, copper, mica, etc. Iron ore mines are found in Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. Coal mines are found in West Bengal, Jharkhand, etc. Petroleum is oil obtained from rocks of the earth. The oil producing regions in India are located in Mumbai High, Gujarat Coast, etc. Human resources in India. People are different in clothing style, food items, etc. Location and extent. India's latitude 8 degree 4 dash north to 37 degree 6 dash north. Longitude 68 degree 7 dash east to 97 degree 25 dash east. Latitude means north to south. Longitude means east to west. The southernmost tip of India is Indira Point. It is located in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. See the tip of Great Nicobar. Southern tip is Cape Comorin. Cape Comorin is also known as Kanyakumari. Now see the north-south extension of India from Indrakol in Jammu and Kashmir in the north till Kanyakumari in the south. The Indrakol altitude 5,764 meters, 18,911 feet is a col. Mountain pass you call it as. On the Indra Ridge in the Karakoram range. It is within 3 kilometers of Siakangri to the west, the summit of which is the tri-point where territories controlled by India, Pakistan and China meet. Rann of Kutch is in the west. See the east-west extension from Gujarat, Rann of Kutch in the west till Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Now see the center of the map. There is a red line. This line is called Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer divides India into two halves. The upper part we call it as north. Northern temperate. Temperate means medium climate. The lower part we call it as south. Southern tropical land. Tropical means hot climate. States and union territories. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. India is divided into states and union territories for administrative convenience. Indian Standard Time. The longitudinal difference between Gujarat in the west and Arunachal Pradesh in the east is about 30 degree. A difference of 1 degree longitude will make a difference of 4 minutes in time. The difference in longitude between Gujarat 68 degree 7 dash east and Arunachal Pradesh 97 degree 25 dash east is 29 degree 18 dash. For example, 97 minus 68 is equal to 29. The difference in local time between these two places is 29 degree 18 dash into 4 is equal to 1 hour 57 minutes 12 seconds, approximately 2 hours. As Arunachal Pradesh lies in the east, it will have sunrise 2 hours before Gujarat, since Gujarat lies in the west. To avoid these differences, IST is calculated assuming India's central meridian is at 82 degree 30 dash east longitude. It passes through Mirzapur and bisects the country in terms of longitude. IST is 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. It passes through Mirzapur and bisects the country in terms of longitude. IST is 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. Major physiographic divisions of India. the Himalayan peaks in the north, the beautiful beaches in the south, the great Indian desert in the west, the natural heritage in the east makes India vibrant, colorful and incredible country. The major physiographic divisions are the Himalayan mountains, the Great Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains and the islands. The Himalayan mountains, the Great Northern Plains. Great Northern Plain is divided into Rajasthan Plain, Punjab Plain, Ganga Plain or Indo-Gangetic Plain, Brahmaputra Plain. The northern plains are fertile land and suitable for cultivation. The Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau is a rocky region. It is rich in minerals. The Indian desert. The coastal plains is divided into two, eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. The islands of India, Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We will see each of the physical divisions of India in detail in our next session. Thank you.